Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video, we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ProtoArc XK03 Ergonomic Keyboard. ProtoArc Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is featured with ultra-slim, 360 degrees foldable and ergonomic split design. A portable Bluetooth keyboard perfect for travel and business trips. Great for use on the airplanes, libraries, cafes, or wherever on the go. The ergonomic foldable keyboard features with unique V-shape with 166 degrees angle and split keyset design helps to create a natural typing position and minimizes pressure on your hands and wrists. Unlike a traditional keyboard, adjusting to an ergonomic keyboard may require an initial adaptation period as you become accustomed to its design and layout. The ultra-thin, portable Bluetooth keyboard can be easily folded and put into your backpack or briefcase to carry around. Strong magnetic adsorption design avoids accidental opening in your backpack. Delicate leather appearance perfectly match your iPad, tablet, or laptop. The ergonomic foldable keyboard can be connected up to 3 Bluetooth devices simultaneously and easy switch between them, which is a perfect solution for people who need to work on multiple devices. Compatible with macOS, iOS, Android, and Windows, this folding keyboard works well with iPad, iPhone, tablets, cell phones, laptops, or PC. Number 2. Ennio Ergo Alice Mechanical Keyboard. The kit is a part which needs to be assembled by itself, and there is no assembly tool. You need to prepare a high-precision T6 screwdriver or a 1.5mm hexagon wrench yourself. If you need to replace the group, you can contact customer service. Keyboard internal gasket structure, shell support quick release. PCB for magnetic design can bring better experience. The keyboard is made by CNC process. The material is hardened by multiple processes. The steel teeth are high-inching due after hand polishing and special frosting treatment. The surface is more resistant to scratches and more durable, and the touch feeling is also very smooth. Number 3. Ergonomic Wireless Silent Split Keyboard. Ergonomic wireless keyboard provides excellent comfort by solving common problems with standard keyboards. The design of the keyboard aims to reduce discomfort and pain in the hands, arms, and shoulders by allowing users to correctly position their bodies and keep their shoulders relaxed. The layout of splitting, dividing, and bending helps to evenly distribute strain, thereby minimizing the risk of fatigue and injury. The wireless keyboard has 4 adjustable tilt legs, allowing you to customize the keyboard to 3 different tilt levels. This design aims to improve comfort and reduce pain in the hands and wrists. The design of the wrist brace aims to gently support your wrist, mimicking holding it in hand to prevent pain caused by bending the wrist. By maintaining a comfortable wrist position in various postures, this feature helps improve focus on tasks. Number 4. LEOBOG A75 Alice Tri-Mode Mechanical Keyboard. A 75 adopts the appearance of curved design, simulating the state of fingertip bending, which helps the hands and fingers naturally placed, relaxed posture and angle. To achieve a more comfortable typing experience, 83 keys, streamlined body layout. The functional area is complete, comfortable to code, compared with the traditional full-size layout of the keyboard to save 15% desktop space. Multiple connection makes easier switch between different devices and different systems. A 75 internal full padding program for layers of silencing padding. PO cotton plus anti-static under the shaft pad plus PO seat cotton plus silicone pads. The top structure to avoid hard collision product noise brings more pure typing sound. With rocker design in the middle of the keyboard, the rocker up and down corresponds to the up and down, left and right arrow key functions. The center of the press for the enter function. LEOBOG A75 all keys are hot swappable, compatible with most of the mechanical axes on the market. Replace the axes as you wish to meet the needs of customer customization.